Hi, do not criticize or complain. This is money, and I want to tell you as to how badly it affects the other person whom you are criticizing or you are complaining to. So, often it is said that criticism is good, criticism helps someone improve, and complaining about something is not really the reason the way it should be taken out. Accepted. All that is fine, unless you know the right way to put it. If you know the right way to criticize for something or somebody, that definitely is good. Often we see people around us that they don't know the right way to put it, and that in turn damages the person whom you are criticizing. Let's talk a little more further on this. If you see, people often do the criticism with good intentions. Let's say you want the other person to improve, you want the other person to get better at something, but you need to know the right way to put it forward as well, because sharp criticism could even deal or could affect the other person so badly emotionally that they just get demotivated. They are not even rising up to what you want them to do. This is often seen when the children are being brought up. If you continue to give them criticism after criticism, it turns out to be that their full potential that they can come up with is not even explored. They just go down. At the same time, if you know the right way to motivate them and to criticize them in the right manner, they can grow up to be healthy individuals who accept things in a positive way and then also flourish in their own fields. So, I have read somewhere in an article that earlier days there used to be a famous author who wrote a lot of famous books, and once one of his books did not really go well. So he received such a sharp criticism from his fans and followers that he went to the level of ending his life. That bad is what criticism can take you to. And remember, whenever you give criticism to others, even if the intentions are good, if you don't put it in the right words, in the right manner, it can lead to the emotional distress for the other person. So keep this in mind, and whenever you come across some situation where you have to criticize or give feedback or give something good, learn the right way of doing it and then give those feedbacks, because this is what we want the other person to take it in the right way and improve things in it overall. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and you will get to know more about how you can get better at emotions, how you can be balanced in your own emotions, and also help your near and dear to be balanced with their emotions. Thank you. Bye-bye.